This is my 69th video.
Nice.
And I decided to take some Wikipedia page about 69 and reading them. There are usually page about the number, some curiosity, some stuff. More than that, there isn't like anything. So let's start. This is the Italian page. I will try to translate, but sometimes I need to go to the Wikipedia page to some kind of things and then reading the English because I can really translate some terms that are too specific. Here we go. We can read that the Latin and Greek pronunciation, there are that, and it's a number that follows the 68 and it's before the 70. Here we have cardinal and the ordinal, which in Italian is 69 and 69esimo, which in English I think it's the 69 and the 69. There are the factor of 69, which is 3 multiplied 23. This is the Roman number, this is the binary number, and the hexadecimal number, which is 45 apparently. Here we have the value of some arithmetic function. This is a P. Eulero. In Italian is Eulero. I remember that number. This is also a thing that I know, but I don't know. I'm pointing with the finger, but I know this. Okay, now let's go with the mathematical. Okay, about the mathematical stuff, I will read directly the English page, but not for now, because it will take much time to me translating and then doing the stuff. So we have the Ulam number, which is mentioned right here. The Ulam or Ulam. The Ulam number, the Ulam is the Italian pronunciation, but I think it's Ulam. The Ulam. Let's go with Ulam. The Ulam number comprises an integer sequence devised by and named after Stanislaw Ulam, who introduced it in 1964. The standard Ulam sequence, the 1-2 Ulam sequence, starts with U1, which is 1, and U2, which is 2. Then for n, this 2 UN is defined to be the smallest integer, that is the sum the sum of two distinct earlier terms in exactly one way and larger than all earlier terms. This is an example of Ulam consequences. Non consequences. Which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 6, 6, 2, 8. Sorry, it's start the. I survive the summer with this. 11 is 8, 3. 13 is 11, 2. and so on and so on. Okay. In astronomy, 69P Taylor is it's like the Halley comet, which you can see every 62 years, I think. You can see it every 62 years, which is called a periodic comet for our solar system. The 69 Xperia is Hesperia or Hesperia, I don't know. Xperia is the mark of telephone. Is an asteroid of the principal band of our solar system. And NGC 69 is a galaxy. Is a long boy of a galaxy of Andromeda constellation. Cosmos 69 was here. It used which is so it's still functional. Is a artificial satellite, Russian artificial satellite, shoot in space during the space race in chemic. Is the atomic number of the thulium, which is that year. Here he says that for his graphics, because there's a 6, which I'm not meaning that by meaning that, but we are talking about that. So the part of the belly of the 6 is under, meanwhile the 9 part is upper. It is like this. We can see that in informatic, the IANA, it recommended the use of the number 69 for the trivial file transfer protocol. Indeed. And it was the race number of Nicky Hayden, which is this dude right here, and it was a MotoGP USA pilot, and it was the champion of the world in 2006 with a Honda. Now I'll start to bargain less because this is literally written in English, so I don't need to translate in live. Doing this. 69. 69 may refer to the number, the year, the 69 before Christ, 69 after Christ, the 1969 or the 269, or the sex position. In music, there are a 1988 album by A.R. Kane. The 69 is a song by Deep Purple from Abandon, which I think is the album. Measure 6 at 9 is a jazz chord. The Summer of 69 is a song by Bryan Adams. 69 is also known as Tekashi 69 is an American rapper. Day 69 is an album by 6ix9ine. 6ix9ine, a song by T-Pain for his 2007 in the album Epiphany. In other media, 69 is a novel by Ryu Murakami, which I recommend. There is also a 2004 film based off a Murakami novel. In other uses, the Lake 69 is a small lake in the region of Ancas, Peru, which is this beautiful place, apparently. Like the water is wow, It is part of the Urascan National Park, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. Nice, really nice. And these things I didn't notice until I wanted to do this video, so I informed before doing this. This, which is the symbol from the astrological sign Cancer, it is a 69. Because here the 6, and here is the 9. And there's this C also, which is 34 plus 35, which is 69, which result as 69 is a 2020 song by Ariana Grande. But here we have the session music, so this is basically the Ariana Grande section. Okay, this is the last page we will visit, which is the 69 number Wikipedia English page. In mathematics, 69 is a lucky number, a semiprime, a Bloom integer, since the two factors of 69 are both Gaussian primes. The sum of the sums of the divisor of the first 9 positive integers. The third composite number in the 13 aliquot 3. The aliquot sum of 69 is 27 within the aliquot sequence 69, 27, 13, 1, 0. The strabogrammic number, which is if rotated of 118 degrees, it's still the same, which is true. A centered tetrahedral number, because 69 has a Hood number of first in its binary representation. It is sometimes called an odious number, which is a positive integer that has an odd number of 1s in its binary expansion. It's hot. I'm melting. Of note that 69 multiplied by himself from 1 time and 69 multiplied by himself from 2 times, which is 69 multiplied 69 or multiplied 69. Use every decimal gift. Why digit anyway? From 09 to 9. 69 is the equal of 105 octal, while 105 is equal to 69 hexadecimal. This same property can be applied to all numbers from 64 to 69. On many handled scientific and graphic calculation, the highest factorial that can be calculated due to memory limitation is 69. Which I think this part of article is written by a nerd. Why I'm saying this? I understand that from this. You don't put this if you are not really interested in what you're saying and in a Wikipedia page. Yes. And also this. But in other fields, 69 a sex position involving each partner aligning themselves to achieve oral sex simultaneously with each others. Can I say that on YouTube? Okay, this is the most interesting part, of course, because it's the reason why I'm doing this video. Basically, in reference to the sex position 69 has become an internet meme, where users will respond to any occurrence of the number with the word "nice" and draw specific attention to it. This means to sarcastically imply that the reference to sex position was intentional. Because of its association with the sex position and resulting meme, 69 has become known as the sex number. Good job, internet.